Scratched the crap out of my truck. Hi, Acer. Damn, dog. Really? Freaking prick. I did. I ran over the fireplace. Whoops. Yeah, well, it'll be fine. Oh, hell, it'll be okay. It'll be all right. Okay. We got to get dressed. We're out of here. We got to go do this. Sweetheart, she knows what's up. Hi. Man, wait up.
So, Jade can't get my color extensions in.
She cannot?
Nope.
Why?
So, they're on back order, the color that we want.
Oh, okay. Yeah, hey, this is Jake Schofield. I just missed a call from here. Hey, man, how are you? Oh, Jose, what's happening, man?
Fire pit there, buddy.
I had the damn dog, guys.
Oh, you're gonna blame you on the dog?
Well, the dog jumped up on the side of my truck, and so I was like, well, I gotta pull forward more, and then I was like, wham, right into the fire.
Train the dog to jump up on the fire pit so you don't run over it.
What are you doing, dog? It ain't my dog.
Hey?
I don't get it.
You guys have fun.
See ya.
Thanks for dinner, sis.
Bye, Dad.
Need anything else? I don't think so. Watch out for what?
Really nice handle.
Oh,
That's
yes.
the only wood handle. Me and your dad FaceTime for a long time today.
Did you? I bet he liked that.
Trying to figure out what we're doing here.
Oh man, Liza hooked us up. Where's the T-bar?
It's in there somewhere.
Right here.
Awesome. How are we gonna hook that thing on?
There's a epoxy.
Oh, good. We're here. We're getting ready to buff this floor. I am so excited about it because Russ and his wife, they were stoked about it when we were just racking this thing out. It's installed now. Everything's bonded. Everything's sanded off. We're gonna start buffing here in just a little bit. But I'm gonna show you guys our T-bar applicator. Now, we don't use mops, we don't use rollers, we don't do anything like that because what it does is it leaves a stop-start mark every time. Go get you at Home Depot, they sell a T-bar, and this is for windows. Buzz and stuff on it, you do not want that in your finish. Get rid of it. Now you need to get your handle, and then it's gonna go on just like that. Now your refill for your finish is just a foam. It's just an 18-inch floor coated refill. These are awesome. You're gonna need you a 2-part epoxy. Fill this thing all the way up.
Be careful because the top has a little hole.
Now get your baby put on here. Cinch it on here good. You're gonna wanna let that dry until it's, it says 5-minute cure time. It's gonna take us probably 30 minutes to get ready. But it'll be dry by then. We gotta hurry and screen. We're gonna start rolling some B-roll. See you guys in a second. Hey guys, these screens are pretty, this is a 100 grit screen, pretty aggressive. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out onto the concrete, kind of rub it on the concrete a little, take the sharp edge off of it. It'll keep you from leaving big swirls in your floor. So come on with it. Right here.
Nice hand pick.
Okay, take the sharp edge off. Boom, we're ready. Jed's sweeping right now.
You're so cute, Jed.
Thanks. All the girls say. I'm so cute.
Oh, Okay, I like it about, so, right at the bottom of your pocket. We're doing everything by shop light right now, so we need to get all these stirred because all the good stuff settles to the bottom of these gallons. You need to really scrape the bottom of these cans. But each can will do about 250 square foot on the first coat. So make sure your stuff's clean. And then just start stirring. Stir them good, you guys. Here go Russ and Angie's floor. This is the first coat. You guys tell me what you think. We got a bunch of mixed in reclaim with newer wood that's textured. I mean, I think my burger just turned out just absolutely gorgeous. I'm just glad we're done today. Let them dogs out.
Come on. Come on in.
Hi, Acer. Go to the bathroom.
Hi, Sarah. You're gonna stay inside? Okay. You don't wanna go pee-pee?